I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by creating a grease pencil object. Press Shift+A and choose Grease Pencil, then blank. Select the new object and switch its mode to draw from the Mode menu. Alternatively, press D, then left-click to start drawing immediately. In the tool settings, enable pressure under stroke for tablet input and set smoothing to 50% for cleaner lines. Choose a brush and set radius to around 30 px for a balanced stroke size. Keep your object selected when drawing to retain strokes on that layer. Adjust brush settings before committing to long strokes. Set radius to about 30 px and strength to 0. 8 for a natural feel. Turn on pressure sensitivity to let tablets control both size and opacity. Use stroke smoothing at 50% and activate stabilize to reduce hand jitter on detailed work. For corrections, switch to eraser or press E to erase strokes non-destructively. Use Ctrl+Z to undo recent strokes if you make a mistake or want to iterate quickly. Organize your artwork with grease pencil layers for separate line work and color fills. Add new layers in the layer panel and lock ones you do not want to change. Enable onion skin and set the range to 3 frames to see nearby animation frames while drawing. For animation, draw on successive frames in the timeline at your desired FPS. When finished, export as SVG for vector use or convert grease pencil to mesh for advanced editing. Remember to save often with Ctrl+S to avoid losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.